Erica. We're going to be doing a half up, half down Dutch braid, transitioning into a fishtail with some beach waves to finish. Nice 7 seconds glossing today on her, just to help with the thermal protection of her hair, because we're going to be using an iron to create the beach waves. I'm going to be using the Freestyler by Orbay. I'm going to spray it all over her curls before we brush them out, just to help the hold. I'm going to be using the Unite Second Day Finishing Cream just to help with the flyaways, kind of taming them down right around here and around the crown area.